Halloween isn't just about scares, sweets, and costumes. It's also the perfect time to slow down, from soothing rituals to creative activities. Let's start with one of the best fall pleasures, the cozy night-in ritual. Picture this: a warm blanket, the soft glow of candles, and your favorite Halloween movie playing in the background. Add a hot drink like pumpkin spice tea, apple cider, or rich hot chocolate, and you've got the perfect setup for relaxation. Studies even show that warm scents like cinnamon, vanilla, and clove can lower stress and lift your mood, making this simple ritual a small but powerful act of self-care. Next, let's talk about Halloween spa time, a fun and creative way to pamper yourself. You can create a DIY pumpkin face mask with natural ingredients like honey and cinnamon, known for their soothing properties. Try a lavender bath bomb or a bath infused with orange slices and essential oils to add a fall fragrance. Turn off the lights, light a few candles, and play gentle music or the sound of autumn rain. This is your moment to unwind, breathe deeply, and reconnect with yourself. If you love creativity, try a Halloween self-care craft session. Make your own candles, paint a fall-themed mug, or design a simple wreath using autumn leaves and ribbon. Crafting is not just fun, it's therapeutic. It helps reduce anxiety, boosts focus, and gives you something tangible to enjoy. Plus, when you decorate your space with your own creations, it feels more personal and comforting. For a more mindful vibe, step outside for a fall nature walk. Take in the crisp air, the sound of leaves crunching under your feet, and the golden colors all around. Bring a warm drink in a travel mug and take a few quiet minutes to simply breathe. Halloween originated in part from ancient harvest festivals, celebrating the changing seasons. So connecting with nature during this time is a beautiful way to honor that history and feel grounded. Now, if you're spending Halloween evening solo or just want something low-key, set up a cozy movie or reading night. Choose a film that fits your mood, maybe something lighthearted like Hocus Pocus, or a gentle mystery that feels spooky without being scary. Or grab a good book, wrap up in a blanket, and enjoy a peaceful night by candlelight. You don't always need a big party to feel the magic. Sometimes quiet moments are the best kind of celebration. Let's not forget treats and comfort food, because Halloween is the season of indulgence. Bake cookies shaped like ghosts or pumpkins, or try a simple caramel apple recipe. Enjoy the flavors of fall: cinnamon, nutmeg, chocolate, and caramel. Cooking or baking at home can be its own form of therapy, filling your space with warmth and delicious smells. And here's a little-known fact: Halloween used to include moments of reflection and gratitude, not just fright and fun. In older traditions, people would pause to honor loved ones, share food, and tell stories. You can bring that same intention into your own life. Light a candle for someone special, journal about things you're thankful for, or simply take a few minutes to reflect on how far you've come this year. Finally, add a touch of Halloween spirit to your self-care routine. Paint your nails in autumn shades, wear cozy orange or black pajamas, or listen to soft instrumental Halloween music. These small touches remind you that the season is about more than spooky thrills. It's about creativity, renewal, and balance. Halloween self-care is all about enjoying the moment, embracing comfort, and giving yourself permission to relax. You don't have to do everything, just what makes you feel centered and happy. Whether it's a quiet night, a warm bath, or a cup of tea by candlelight, these little rituals can turn October nights into something special. So this Halloween, celebrate yourself too. Treat your mind, body, and spirit to a little peace. Because the most magical thing about Halloween isn't just the costumes or the candy. It is the way it reminds us to find joy, comfort, and a little sparkle in the darkness. Like and subscribe to the channel for more infotainment you can run with.